Hi guys, so for this video, we are going to solve the sample problem. An ice skater with a mass of 50 kg pushes against a wall with a force of 100 Newton. If the wall is immovable and the skater is initially at rest, what is the magnitude of the skater or the skater's acceleration? So, ito yung illustration niya, no? Sa illustration, makikita natin yung ice skater and meron siyang weight na 50 kilograms or mass na 50 kilograms. And pinupush niya yung wall na hindi naman nagalaw, no? Yung ine-exert niyang force is 100 Newton. Ayan. Ngayon, ang hinahanap natin, magnitude ng skater's acceleration. So, ano ba yung magnitude ng acceleration ng ating skater? So, to find the magnitude of the skater's acceleration, we can use Newton's second law of motion. Ano, pwede natin gamitin yung pangalawang law ni Newton, which is the law of acceleration. Sabi sa law of acceleration, F equals ma, where F is the force applied, m is the mass of the object or of anything na concern sa isang problem, and A is the acceleration. So dito sa problem, for this particular problem, yung force natin is 100 Newton, yung mass natin is 50 kilogram. Ang hinahanap natin is yung A, yung acceleration. Rearranging now the equation to solve for acceleration, so gagamit lang tayo ng transposition or formula transformation, magiging yung F equals MA, magiging A equals F over M. Kasi ang hinahanap natin, yung acceleration. Substituting now the known values, A equals 100 Newton over 50 kilograms. Ang acceleration natin ay ang makukuha natin is 2 meter per second squared. Therefore, the magnitude of the skater's acceleration is 2 meter per second squared. So, yon. I hope nagets nyo yun, basic na problem lang. Kaya lang, nahihirapan lang tayo sa pag-intindi nung problem. So, kapag ka ganun, lagi nyong babalikan lang ano yung principle behind, ano yung formula, ano yung hinahanap, and then ano yung formula na pwede kong gamitin given etong mga values na to. And then, dun mahanap natin kung anong equation or formula ang pwede natin gamitin. So, yon. Till next time.